Okay. Hi, my name's Clayton, and I'm creating a Rubik's Cube tutorial as an experiment on my brother. My nephew Seth mentioned that he's trying to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So basically, I'm going to put together a video tutorial, a set of videos, which will describe how to do that. The first video will basically describe the 6 sides of the cube and how it moves, some of the basic stuff, what some of the notations mean as far as the rotations or moves of the cube. And then I'll go through each individual step in the sequence, starting with the white face, the first 2 layers, the orientation to the last layer, which is the yellow face, and then the permutations of the last layer, which would be the yellow corners and the yellow sides. So we'll go by it step by step, and we'll see how good of a teacher I am. So I don't think there's any bad students, there's bad teachers for sure. If you have any questions, just post them, let me know. I'll probably have some kind of discussion board or something up, hopefully, for comments or questions, feedback, and we'll see if it works. We'll see if it works on you and my brother. So stay tuned and keep it up. It's not going to be instantaneous. It's going to take some time and effort for sure, but it's well worth it. It's super cool to be able to solve a cube, you know, to do something autonomously that's a non-trivial task. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.